Hi, we are group number 1 who will be presenting about Microsoft. First of all, let's look at the first question. How does orientation differ from onboarding? Both orientation and onboarding are main HR function, but they can be differentiated as follows. Also, orientation and onboarding are not interchangeable because orientation helps employees immediately familiar with the organization's mission and culture, but employees invested in their roles at departments and how it helps their business meet its goal through onboarding. To be more specific, orientation is as follows: a one-time event welcoming employees to organization which is given after hiring process, an ongoing process of building engagement from the first contact until the employee becomes established within the organization. The goals of traditional orientation are relatively narrow, explains all the essential related to the organization and to that of the job description, such as a brief overview of the organization's products, values, and customer service. They are to get employees on the payroll and signed up for benefits. Some offers an online or self-guided training so that employees have some general backgrounds about the organization before participating in the face-to-face events. More focus on the role in organization and usually set up as classroom. The contents of onboarding are as follows. A series of events also includes orientation that helps employees to understand how to be successful in employees' work and how their work contributes to the overall business. The broader term onboarding is more strategic, comprehensive reach and a broader perspective. As its goal decreasing the time it takes for a new hire to reach the minimum expected productivity level on the job, implants the culture and values into the project starters, especially explaining unspoken rules such as assistants are responsible for answering the phones. Should focus on what matters most to each department with the goal of helping new employees make connections between company-wide goals and their daily tasks. More focus on role in each department and as usually set up OJT, on the job training. Then, shall we see the difference between orientation and onboarding at a glance? Look at this table. First of all, if you look at the meaning, orientation is a well-formulated introduction of a new employees to the jobs, peers, and the organization. And onboarding is a strategic process of immersing the new employees into the organization and its culture. Orientation can be seen as one-off event and onboarding can be seen as the process of adapting to work. That is why orientation takes only a few days, but onboarding takes at least 1 to 3 months and sometimes can take up to a year. Communication also, while orientation is one way, onboarding is a two-way communication. Orientation only introduces the organization and onboarding gives a comprehensive introduction to the organization and its operations. The two are also in different locations. Orientation can be viewed in the classroom or online, but onboarding is the process of adapting to work, so it's performed in the workplace. Orientation is carried out in groups, onboarding is carried out in all individuals. Orientation provides all the necessary information and onboarding provides information tailored to the role of the individual. Therefore, onboarding provides more suitable information than orientation. And the new employee who has received orientation must learn to work when he or she enters the company. But the new employee who has received the onboarding can contribute to the company immediately because he or she has already adapted to the job. Orientation and onboarding has different objectives. If orientation is to provide the information needed to perform the task, onboarding aims to assimilate new employees into the organization. Let's look at the second question. Why do you think Microsoft implemented the MACH program? Can you see any drawbacks of doing so? First of all, we think Microsoft implemented the MACH program for the following reasons. Many companies have been faced with the challenge of finding ways to accelerate the careers of new hires. Its fast track program was not especially helpful. As Lee Creswell, Millennial Education Business Manager of Microsoft, millennials are not given challenging work when they are first hired, which can be frustrating for them and lead to turnover. Just training, they didn't understand what we wanted, which was to have an impact and a voice straight away. Microsoft didn't want to make the same mistake. To deal with this issue, attract top graduates, and begin utilizing their skills quickly, the company launched the Microsoft Academy for College Hires, shortly MAC. So, what is Microsoft's MAC program? MAC program is a customized learning experience designed for their newest university hires in various job families including marketing, sales, customer-facing technology, and operations. Its 18 to 24-month program complements their role by ensuring that they will receive professional development to enable start strong, accelerate their impact, build their network, and drive a long term career in Microsoft by offering them world class training. Become the essential connection between their clients and the technology that help them expand the size of their business and become more profitable. As a sales and marketing professional at Microsoft, you will work closely with the sales teams which serve as human face of their multi-billion-dollar global company. MAC program aims to cultivate your talent through training, mentoring, and community support. The MAC Learning Scheme is an 18-month comprehensive onboarding and development program that runs alongside your full-time job, as well as world-class training and coaching from some of the brightest minds. You can look forward to being part of a global community of over 1,800 MAC peers in 60 countries. MAC is different from other programs in that you will be immediately placed in a challenging role with specific learning roadmaps. You will be provided with the infrastructure and resources that will allow you to define and grow your career, including access to the world-class learning solution both online and classrooms. It's challenging, it's rewarding, it's everything you would expect of a world-class program at one of world's most advanced technology companies. Specifically, these are the things. Must be on track to complete or within 6 months of graduation of part-time or full-time MBA. Must have equal to or less than 7 years combined professional work experience. Excellent communication and presentation skills. Thrive and deliver results in a fast-paced, sometimes ambiguous environment. Ability to influence, inspire, and lead from any role. Passion for the technology and innovation. Seeks opportunities to learn new methods, procedures, or techniques. Ability to impact and influence customers with a high degree of autonomy, energy, flexibility, and the drive to create real and measurable business results. They hire in 3 main categories for the roles of their organization. First, corporate and sales. You collaborate, manage, and fuel the success of business groups. You are dedicated to creatively communication and strategy. Join Microsoft to envision, create, and build the solution and tools of the future. Types of position you could land, for example, audience marketing manager, licensing sales specialist, account executive, and channel partner marketing manager. The second is customer facing technology. Taking on a customer facing technical role, you will gain hands on experience with the world's most advanced technologies. See new products come to market and introduce cutting edge technology solutions to our customers. If you like the idea of developing technical solutions to help them overcome their business problems, this is the role for you. Type of position you could land, for example, premier field engineer, technical account manager, consultant, and technical evangelist. Finally, technical sales. Joining the Microsoft sales team is an excellent opportunity for you to learn the competitive economic, business, international, and geopolitical landscape of their customers business and apply your knowledge of how Microsoft solutions provides value. Type of position you could land as an intern to grad, for example, accounts technology strategist, solution sales professional, and technology solutions professional. In conclusion, Microsoft Academy for College Hires is a 2-year program designed to provide new university graduates hire into the company's sales, marketing, and service divisions with onboarding courses, hands-on training, coaching, and networking opportunities. The main aims quickly but to help them more efficiently navigate the corporate culture and politics. Max has Mac has helped numerous graduates maneuver throughout the corporate world by helping them build networks, senior employees, and also to connect with other Microsoft employees around the world. Microsoft Academy for College Hires is an excellent idea, especially in today's economy. If more large companies such as Microsoft develop a program as this, new graduates joining the workforce will be more comfortable, more engaged in what they want to do and their specialties. The program teaches networking and corporate skills these graduates will take throughout life. The only drawback the program may entail is the mentor's scheduling. Once new hires beginning observing a mentor, it is more beneficial for them to remain with their mentor for the duration of the program. Switching between mentors has its positive and negatives, and loss of interest and personality adjustments are a few negative that may be included. Let's take a look at last question. How might the program improve Microsoft's employer brand and help it attract talent? First, MAC is an accelerated career development program designed to recruit and hire top performing universities graduates across a broad range of roles. This program aims to cultivate your talent through training, mentoring, and community support. According to Marianne Baumgarten, who managed the development of the curriculum for the MAC program, Microsoft learned that the program needs to follow several key steps to have maximum impact. MAC students focus on moving from the academic world to Microsoft's cooperative environment. Microsoft's corporate education is a structured method of combining class-based education with practical work experience. A cooperative education experience, commonly known as COOP, provides academic credit for structured job experience. Cooperative education is taking on new importance in helping young people to make the school to work transition, service learning, and experiential learning initiatives. MAC is different from other programs in that you will be immediately placed in a challenging role with specific learning roadmaps. Students will be provided with the infrastructure and resources that will allow you to define and grow your career, including access to world-class learning solutions, both online and in the classroom. MAC program is to facilitate the job shadowing process and to help senior employees become good mentors who can help develop and retain young workers. They offer them classes on generational milestones and characteristics as well as scenario training. Microsoft job shadowing is a way of learning more about a particular position, receiving basic training in a new job, or simply becoming more familiar with the job. It is done by going to activities of the professional you are shadowing, such as attending meetings or observing how certain tasks are performed. It is highly effective in terms of training and helps individuals to gain comprehensive knowledge about the position. One of the many job shadowing advantages. Microsoft scenario-based learning is based on its ability to engage learners by stimulating their brain activity. This form of learning encourages learners to think critically, allowing them to solve problems that make decisions based on what they have learned. Storytelling simulations are a great way to promote engagement as it stimulates learners' emotions. If employees are invested in the story told by simulation, they are less likely to become distracted. The Muck Learning Scheme is an 18-month comprehensive onboarding and development program that runs alongside your full-time job, as well as world-class training and coaching from some of the brightest minds. You can look forward to being part of global community of over 1,800 Mac peers in 60 countries. If you have any questions about the presentation, please ask us. With this, I will end our presentation. Thank you for listening to Group 1's presentation.